Assalamualaikum, my name is ALISSA binti AZMIE. I'm from CS1104B. My matrix number is 2021881442. Today I would like to present about my mobile application, which is BMI calculator. This application provides user a simple and handy way to calculate their BMI. It also provides tips for underweight and overweight user. So let's take a look at my application. The first screen is a splash screen. It will automatically go to the login page. So in this screen, it have two buttons, which is login and sign up button. New user need to sign up first in order to use this application. So in sign up page, there are register and back button. User need to enter their name, username, email, and password to register their account. Next, after register and login, it will go to the gender page. Then, where user can choose their gender, then it will automatically go to the calculator. In calculator page, users are able to calculate their BMI by entering their height and weight. I use spinner to provide option for user whether they want to enter their height and weight in metric or imperial units, such as kilogram, pound. In this page, I also provide recalculate button to make it easier for the user to recalculate their BMI, and the result will show whether the user BMI normal, underweight, or overweight. If the user underweight and overweight, there are buttons for tips, and it will show some tips for user to improve their health. Okay, now move on to the codes. This is the code for splash screen. I use slider, and to increase the value, I use clock timer. Next, for login, I use Firebase to store the data in the system so that the user don't have to create new account every time they want to use the application. So this is the code. This is the code for sign up. Next, for the calculation, when the user click the calculate button, it will calculate their BMI based on unit that they chose, such as kilogram or pound, meters or centimeters, or feet. The formula of the calculation is weight divided by height, and the calculations are a bit different for every unit. This is the code. So this is where it will show the user their BMI status, whether their BMI are normal, underweight, or overweight. Next, for the rest of the code, The page only requires to move from one page to another. So this is the splash screen. It requires 10 seconds to go to the login page. So this is the login page. New user need to sign up first. This is the sign up page. The user need to enter their name, username, email, and password. Then register. Next, we need to log in using the same username and password. This is the gender page. User can choose their gender. So this is the BMI calculator. In order to calculate user BMI, they need to enter their weight and height, and they can choose the units, whether kilogram or pound, centimeters, meters, inches, or feet. So let's enter the weight. Then let's calculate. This is the normal weight. This is the result. So let's enter new input. So this is the result for underweight. They can choose to recalculate, or they want to see the tips to gain some weight. So this is the tips. And then in this page, it has two buttons, recalculate button and logout button. So let's recalculate. This is the result for our weight. So let's choose tips to lose weight. This is the tips. Okay, that's all for the calculation. So let's click the logout button. So it will straightly go to the login page back.